Caretaking and cleaning business, Melbourne, Victoria. This is a unique opportunity to acquire a thriving business that has successfully operated for over 2 decades. It is perfect for an owner-operator or as a bolt-on opportunity for an existing company seeking to expand its clientele. The business provides caretaking and cleaning services to body corporates of small to medium-sized apartment buildings. Clients include 35 separate properties grouped around Elwood, St Kilda and South Yarra. Contracts are in place, with no individual client or property manager dominating the income stream. With low overheads, strong profits and substantial growth potential, this solid enterprise is poised for an exciting new chapter.